Do you ever reread something over and over and still not understand it? You look at the words. You try to focus. But it just doesn't stick. This is very common with ADHD. And it's not because you're not intelligent. It's because your brain may process information differently. Many ADHD brains are not verbal processors. They are visual processors. That means just reading words is not always enough. Do you learn better by seeing instead of reading? Your brain needs to see it, picture it, or connect it to something visual before it makes sense. That's why you may understand things better when you watch a video instead of reading instructions. Or when someone shows you instead of just telling you. This is not a weakness. It's a different learning style. Do you learn better by seeing instead of reading? One simple way to help is to turn words into visuals. You can write it down, draw it out, or break it into steps you can see instead of just reading. If you've ever felt slow because of this, you're not. Your brain may just be asking for a different way to learn. This content is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for medical advice. If this helped you understand your ADHD brain, subscribe to Focus Mode ADHD.